as friends. Do it again, do it again.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiffani Beaston from Beauty and the Beastons, and I upload every single Tuesday and Sunday. If you're new here, I'm a mom of 4 from ages ranging from 7 to 2, and I make lots of homemaking content. So right now, we are just cleaning up the kitchen. This video is a little bit shorter than my normal videos because we are just focusing on the kitchen today. I wanted to really slow down, enjoy the process of cleaning and decorating my kitchen for Valentine's Day. We're not doing anything too crazy. I wanted to keep the decor simple yet beautiful, and I really hope that you like it. So step 1, we're just putting everything where it belongs. I'm zooming in here so you don't see my giant wedgie, but you can still kind of see it anyway. So that's what we're doing here, just putting everything away first, and then we're going to get started on the dishes. So now that everything's put away, we're going to get started on the dishes. This is just always the way that I clean my kitchen. If you've been here for a while, I'm sure you already know that. What's your process in cleaning your kitchen? Where do you start? I feel like that's always the hardest part, is just starting. So when I'm doing the dishes, I'm just rinsing some things and putting them in the dishwasher, and then I will hand wash the rest. Also, I know a lot of people don't decorate for Valentine's Day. If you know me, we decorate for pretty much every single holiday, just because I feel like it brings a little bit of extra joy to our lives, and especially to the kids' lives. Even if you just want to grab a couple window clings from Dollar Tree, there's so many cute things. I'm excited to show you when I do the rest of the house. That video will be up on Sunday. Who else is like just totally thrown off? Whenever we have an extra long weekend, I always feel like Tuesday is Monday, so I'm doing this voice over Tuesday. I filmed this video on Monday when Everly was napping and Chris was out playing soccer with the kids, so it was nice to have like not a couple minutes, like an hour to myself to go ahead and film this and enjoy the whole process. I feel like a lot of times we are all so rushed to just do everything all the time. And I have days where I feel like that and where I enjoy like just running around doing a million things at once. But today it felt nice to just focus on one room in the house. So if today you feel like you can't do much, just do one room. It was like honestly perfect. I didn't feel like I was missing out on time with the kids. I felt like I had a little bit of me time. Like I made the house look nice and clean, and yeah, I still had the rest of my day left to spend with my family. Okay, so step 3 is we are just going to scrub the sink. I am using the Thieves. It's like a powdered scrub. It's for sinks, it's for tubs, it's for everything. So I'm just putting a little bit of that in with some dish soap and just giving it a really good scrub. You can see it's quite filthy. It gets pretty dirty quite often with 6 of us living here. So yeah, just giving that a really good scrub. I usually use lemon essential oil in here as well, but I didn't today. But just a couple drops of essential oil down the drain, it really does help your sink a lot too, and it helps brighten it. I don't know why, I think I just forgot to do it. Okay, all of that is done. We're moving on to step 4, which is just wiping everything down. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoy this type of video. I know it's more slower paced, but I can really appreciate videos like this sometimes with a mix of, my other videos where it's like hours upon hours of cleaning in a 40-minute video. But I like these simple videos as well. Let me know what you think. So I'm calling this step 5, but really it could be any step, and that's just to get your diffuser going and make the house smell amazing. I'm keeping it very simple today and just doing straight lavender. I hope that whatever you're doing today, you can throw this video on in the background and I can be there with you. I remember when Chris was still working out of the home, I would always get the Sunday scaries, and that meant that Monday I was going to be home by myself with the kids, and I dreaded it so much. So for everyone out there that feels that way, I totally remember that feeling, and just know that you can throw me on in the background anytime you're feeling lonely, and I'll be here with you. We can clean together. We can talk together. My last video, I talked for 30 minutes straight, so if you feel like just having some Tiff Talks, go ahead and put that video on, but I'm grateful that you're here and that I can be here for you. Step 6 is get rid of crusty fruit. No, I'm just kidding. Step 6 is we're going to go ahead and do the floors. I'm only just sweeping up some of the major things because in my next video I'm going to be doing the total floor care with like the mopping and the wet vacuum and all of that. So right now, just some floor maintenance. I also go ahead and use my robot vacuum pretty much after every meal, so that is really helpful as well. Okay, finally most of the cleaning is done, so it's time to finally decorate. This little heart wreath I've had for a while now and I love it. It's the perfect colors for Valentine's Day. I will be putting up that other wreath again because it's just like a neutral color after Valentine's Day, but for right now this works out perfectly here. And then we're just going to go ahead and add some cute little touches. Right now, everything I'm using I have already had, so I will show you things that are new once we get to that point.
This whenever she leaves her safe space, she leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better? Then that's where she'll That's where she'll
Okay, so these are new from the Target Dollar Spot. I thought they'd be perfect for the coffee station. I wound up using the black love sign by the sink, but I forgot to show it. So, of course, I'm just playing around with it. I'll probably change it 500 other times. And then I decided to change the sugar over to my pink heart sugar bowl. And I have also had that forever, which I believe is a Target Dollar Spot find as well.
wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better, make her feel better? Then that's where she'll That's where she'll Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah,
Okay, so you know I'm a sucker for holiday-themed measuring spoons and cups. These were $6 from TJ Maxx, and then these placemats I got from Target. I forget how much they were, but I got 4 of them just to go on the island with 4 cute little plates. I also have heart plates from previous years, which you'll see a little bit later. I'll show you at the end of the video. I washed them for the kids to use, and then this was also from Target. I'll try to link as much as I can down below. But this specific part right here, I always tell you, is the part that just makes me so happy. When I see 4 of anything and I just think of my 4 precious babies, it just makes me feel so incredibly grateful. I always want to buy them holiday shaped plates and spoons and cups, and they're just getting so big. Carter literally looks like a 7-year-old teenager, and I can't handle it. Just all of them are getting so tall and so big, and it's just crazy to close a chapter like having babies. But these are my 4. It's a family of 6 and no more babies for us. But oh my gosh, time is fleeting. Take those babies in and enjoy every single second, even the hard parts, because it flies by.
awake is the way that you left me. Oh, now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Ooh, in my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure.
So thank you all so much for watching and hanging out with me for these 16 minutes. I'm so happy that you're here. Please come back on Sunday to see what we do with the rest of the house, because I'm not even sure exactly what it's going to look like, but I ordered some fun things, and I have some things for the previous year, and I think it's going to come out really nice. So again, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I hope that this video gave you the motivation that you needed for today.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of shine.